Welcome to Biology My Passion. I am Soumya Harikrishna. Today we are going to discuss 50 important questions from the unit Biotechnology. Already I have done the videos of both the lessons in detail. So if you haven't watched that, I request you to please go watch that, learn and then start attempting these questions. So without much ado, let us move on to the first question. Which one of the following equipments is essentially required for growing microbes on a large scale for industrial production of enzymes? We know after we get transformants with the desired gene in it, we have to culture them in huge vessels. They are called bioreactors or fermenters. So here the answer is option 4, bioreactor. DNA precipitation out of a mixture of biomolecules can be achieved by treatment with. This is from DNA isolation. We know first we have to use certain enzymes to digest the cell wall depending upon the organism. If it is plants, we use cellulase, bacteria, lysozyme, fungus, chitinase. Then we add proteases, lipases and RNAs to digest other components. So finally, to precipitate it out, we have to use chilled ethanol. So option 2 is correct here. Which of the following is true for golden rice? We know golden rice is a genetically modified rice in which beta-carotene gene has been introduced to enhance vitamin A quality. So here the correct option is the first one, vitamin A enriched with a gene from daffodil. What triggers activation of protoxin to active Bt toxin of Bacillus thuringiensis in bollworm? This comes under pest-resistant plants. We know Bacillus thuringiensis bacteria have got a gene called crygene that can produce a cryprotein, which is inactive toxin. But in the alkaline pH of the gut of the insect, it will become solubilized and become active. So here the correct option is option 3, alkaline pH of gut. Bt cotton variety that was developed by the introduction of toxin gene of Bacillus thuringiensis is resistant to insect pests. They are very specific to certain insect pests. Identify the wrong statement with regard to restriction enzymes. All these options seem to be more or less correct, but if you look very closely, the fourth option, each restriction enzyme functions by inspecting the length of a DNA sequence, is the wrong statement. It would have been correct if it was each restriction endonuclease enzyme. This is a match the following question. These questions require a lot of time. So you have to be as quick and correct in finding out the answers. So here Bt cotton, we know Bacillus thuringiensis. Adenosine deaminase deficiency, we correlate with the gene therapy. RNA interference is related to cellular defense. PCR is for detection of HIV infection at the early stage. So here option is 4, 1, 2, 3. So the correct answer is option 4. Which of the following statements is not correct? So if you look at that, second option, the functional insulin has A and B chains linked together by hydrogen bonds is wrong. Here they are linked together by disulfide bonds. So option 2 is the wrong answer. So it is the correct option here. The sequence that controls the copy number of the linked DNA in the vector is termed. When we learned about the characteristics of a plasmid vector or a good cloning vector, origin of replication is very important. And origin of replication or ORI site controls the copy number of the linked DNA. So option 1 is the correct answer. Again I match the following question. Bacillus thuringiensis, they produce cryproteins. Thermus aquaticus is a bacterium used in the PCR where we need thermostable DNA polymerase enzyme which is extracted from Thermus aquaticus. So DNA polymerase. Agrobacterium tumefaciens is used as a cloning vector, and Salmonella typhimurium was used in the construction of first rDNA molecule by Herbert Boyer and Stanley Cohen. So here 4, 3, 1 and 2. So option 1 is the correct answer. Choose the correct pair from the following. Of this we know that polymerases break the DNA into fragments. It's not correct. Whereas ligases join two DNA molecules is correct. Ligases are the molecular glue. They can join two DNA molecules together. So option 4 is the correct answer. The specific palindrome sequence which is recognized by ECO R1. We know palindrome means what? They are reading the same on both sides. But in case of DNA strands, how is it palindrome? 5' to 3' when you read, it should be the same. And for Escherichia coli, it is highly specific, GAATTC, 5' to 3'. So option 4 is the correct answer. 3' to 5' it is CTTAAG. But that also if you read from 5 to 3, it will be GAATTC. So option 4 is the correct answer. In gel electrophoresis, separated DNA fragments can be visualized with the help of. We know ethidium bromide is the stain used in gel electrophoresis, but along with that we need to use UV radiation also to appear orange bands. The DNA will appear as orange bands. So the option 1 is correct. Ethidium bromide in UV radiation. Which of the following is commonly used as a vector for introducing a DNA fragment in human lymphocyte? Whenever we want to transfer a gene of interest to animals or exclusively to human beings, we use retroviruses, disarmed pathogen. So here answer is 3, retrovirus. Use of bioresources by multinational companies and organizations without authorization from the concerned country and its people is called. It's a direct definition of biopiracy. Option 2. In India, the organization responsible for assessing the safety of introducing genetically modified organism for public use. Another direct question, GEAC, option 4, Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. They have mainly two responsibilities. One, to select the validity of the GM research, and second, to check the safety of the GM products. The correct order of steps in polymerase chain reaction is denaturation, annealing, extension, option 4. By increasing the temperature, we separate the two strands of DNA to be amplified. Then annealing is the sticking or joining of RNA primer based on complementarity. And then polymerase enzyme will add new nucleotides in order to extend the strand, that is called extension. In which vectorless method of gene transfer does DNA precipitate over surface of metal particles? The vectorless gene transfer can be microinjection, biolistic or gene gun, or electroporation. In microinjection or biolistic gun, we make small particles and over that we coat the DNA to be inserted, and that is called a particle gun. So option 3 is the correct answer. The particles are made up of either tungsten or gold, which are unreactive metals. Increased flavorful shelf life of tomato has been achieved by. This is an example of a genetically modified organism or the plant, flavor saver tomato, in which we have delayed the ripening process. For that, we reduce the activity of the enzyme polygalacturonase. So option 2 is the correct answer here. Bioremediation. It is an application of biotechnology to purify the environment. So biopurification of environment, third option is correct. In bacteria, genes for antibiotic resistance are usually located in. Bacteria have circular DNA which are self-replicating extrachromosomal. They are called plasmids. Plasmid provides antibiotic resistance to bacteria. So here correct answer is A. TI plasmid naturally occurs in. TI plasmid is tumor-inducing plasmid which is present in a bacterium called Agrobacterium tumefaciens, which is a soil bacteria, but it happens to come in touch with the plant or enter the plant body it can cause a disease called a crown gall disease where a tumor is formed. So here the answer is agrobacterium because it has got a T gene in it. But now we have made it disarmed or pathogenicity is removed and it is used as a cloning vector in plants. So option A is the correct answer. The first hormone artificially produced by culturing bacteria is insulin. Option A. Which enzyme is used to break the cell wall to release plant DNA? In plant cells, cell wall is made up of cellulose. So we use the enzyme cellulase. Option C. Enzymes used in PCR is Taq polymerase because in denaturation the temperature is increased to above 90 degrees Celsius. So normal DNA polymerase will become denatured. So in such case we extract the DNA from Thermus aquaticus bacterium. That enzyme is called a Taq polymerase enzyme. So option 1 is the correct answer. cDNA probes are copied from messenger RNA molecule with the help of. cDNA means complementary DNA. Usually we make complementary DNA from RNA. So if you want to make DNA from RNA, it is the opposite of transcription or reverse of transcription. So we call it as reverse transcription process. So the enzyme required is reverse transcriptase. Option B. Now we have to rearrange the steps. These questions also are time consuming. So you have to be as quick as possible. Some of the steps involved in the production of humulin are given below. Choose the correct sequence. Humulin is nothing but human insulin, genetically engineered human insulin. So first, synthesis of gene for human insulin artificially. So one starting B and C option. So let us see now. After that, insertion of this human insulin gene into plasmid. Option 4. So C seems to be the correct answer. Then introduction of the recombinant plasmid into E. coli. Culturing recombinant E. coli in bioreactors. Extraction of recombinant gene product from E. coli and purification of humulin. So option C is the correct sequence of production of humulin. Transgene introduced in the first transgenic cow was responsible for the production of. We know Rosie cow was the first transgenic cow which could produce human milk protein, that is alpha lactalbumin. Every liter of the milk contained 2.4 grams of human milk protein. So human protein enriched milk is the correct option. Option C. Earlier, which animals were used to test the safety of polio vaccine? Transgenic mice were used. Option C. Bioaugmentation is. It is a process where addition of commercially prepared bacterial strain is done. So option A is correct. Hybridomers are employed for the production of monoclonal antibodies. So option C is correct answer. DNA fragments with sticky ends are not allowed to undergo self-ligation. We know sticky ends are complementary, so possibility of self-ligation is high. That can be prevented using alkaline phosphatase enzyme. So option D is correct. Enzyme adenosine deaminase is deficient in genetic disorder. SCID. Severe combined immunodeficiency. They have either non-functional gene or absence of gene for ADA. So their bone marrow won't produce the lymphocytes. So they suffer from a disease called a SCID. Arbor, Smith and Nathans are famous for the discovery of restriction enzyme. Option 2. Hirudin gene inserted in Brassica napus was. Hirudin is actually an anticoagulant of blood. So we introduced the gene into rapeseed and we extracted hirudin from that. So toxic component of Bacillus thuringiensis is protein because we know that cryprotein is a toxic component. Option 4. Insulin has 51 amino acids arranged in 2 polypeptides A chain and B chain. A chain has 21 amino acids in it and 30 in B chain. So option 2 is the correct answer. Bacterial plasmid contains DNA. Plasmid is a circular DNA. Option 3. 2 bacteria most useful in genetic engineering are option 2 Escherichia coli and Agrobacterium. Escherichia coli is a host whereas Agrobacterium is a vector, cloning vector in plants. The technique of insertion of desired gene into DNA of plasmid vector is gene splicing. We know eukaryotes have split genes They undergo splicing in order to remove introns and to join back exons. But gene splicing the term is also used for the insertion of desired gene into DNA of a plasmid vector. Thermal cycle is used in polymerase chain reaction, option 3, because there we keep on changing the temperature at different steps: denaturation, annealing and extension. Construction of first recombinant DNA was done by using plasmid of Escherichia coli. So option 2 is correct. In gel electrophoresis, differential mobility of DNA depends upon two factors. One, charge of the DNA, that is negatively charged DNA move towards a positively charged anode. Also, the sieving effect of the agarose gel. Based on the molecular size, the heavy DNA will move slowly, whereas the light DNA or the completely fragmented ones move very quickly. So here the option 3 is the correct answer, charge and size of DNA. Bacteria protect themselves from viruses by fragmenting viral DNA with endonuclease. Which of these is used as a vector for gene therapy in SCID? Since in gene therapy we are transferring to human, we use disarmed pathogen of virus, that is called retrovirus. So option 1 is correct. RNAi is a mechanism. RNA interference we know we used in producing nematode resistant tobacco plant. To silence gene we use double-stranded RNA. To protect tobacco plants against Meloidigyne incognitia, RNAi nematode specific genes were introduced in plants using, here also we are transferring to plants, so which is the cloning vector? Agrobacterium tumefaciens, option 4. Permanent cure of ADA deficiency could be, we can use enzyme replacement therapy, bone marrow replacement, transplant or T lymphocyte manipulation, but these are not permanent cure. If it can be done in the early embryonic stage only, it becomes a permanent cure. So here option 4 is correct. Introduction of gene isolated from marrow cells produced ADA into early embryonic cells. Which protein is produced to treat emphysema patients using transgenic sheath? For the treatment of emphysema, we obtain the biological product called alpha-1 antitrypsin. Option 2. The last question. A transgenic food crop that could solve the problem of night blindness. Night blindness is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A. So vitamin A enriched, beta carotene enriched rice, if you can consume, it can solve the problem. So the answer is golden rice. Hope you could follow me. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let us meet in another video with yet another topic.